Now we have the repairs that you do often in your homes, and these are simply simple replacements of worn out and used components which need to be changed periodically. Such things are like light bulbs, worn out batteries, overfilled vacuum cleaner bags, sharpening of tools like knives in the kitchen and utensils, replacing leaky taps or faucets. Sometimes we have a tap that's just dripping and we leave it and it just continues dripping, and then it's when it completely breaks down that we think that it's time to change the faucets. But these things can be avoided if we just get into a maintenance culture. There are also things like overfloating toilets. We also do that. We leave those things forever and ever. We believe that somehow it's going to take care of itself, but it never does. And so eventually the toilet becomes clogged up, or the toilet just breaks down. But if you get into a maintenance culture of sorting out these things, even if you cannot sort it out yourself, it can be carried out to a repair shop, or you can call in a professional to look at these things. Replacements of switches and outlets, broken pipes, broken doors and latches, broken windows, leaky roofs and water tanks. All these things are things that should be maintained in the home, and so that we won't spend more money in replacements. So we look forward in this season to talk about all the various things that can be maintained in a home and be repaired. We look forward to seeing you. Don't forget to like our page. Don't forget to join us on Instagram. And don't forget to send us your comments. Take care and God bless.